In today's rapidly evolving business landscape, the integration of artificial intelligence has emerged as a transformative force, revolutionizing the way businesses operate and make decisions. AI technology, with its ability to analyze vast amounts of data and derive actionable insights, has become a game-changer for companies across industries. Artificial intelligence has emerged as a transformative force in the world of business, revolutionizing how companies operate and make decisions. From streamlining processes to enhancing customer experiences, AI is reshaping industries across the globe. Here are some key ways AI is impacting businesses. But before we delve into that, we welcome you to AI Evolved's channel, where we provide you with the latest updates and news from around the world. So without further ado, let's get started. Wait, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so that you won't miss any updates from our channel. Number 1. Enhanced data analysis. One of the key areas where AI is making a significant impact is in data analysis. Traditional data analysis methods often struggle to handle the sheer volume and complexity of data available to businesses today. However, AI-powered analytics tools can sift through immense data sets, identify patterns, and extract valuable information with remarkable speed and accuracy. This enables businesses to make data-driven decisions, uncover hidden opportunities, and optimize their operations for improved efficiency and productivity. AI algorithms can efficiently analyze massive amounts of data, extracting valuable insights and patterns that would be otherwise difficult for humans to detect. Number 2. Personalized customer experiences. Moreover, AI is reshaping customer experiences and engagement. With AI chatbots and virtual assistants, businesses can provide personalized and interactive customer support around the clock. These intelligent systems can handle routine inquiries, offer product recommendations, and even simulate human-like conversations, enhancing customer satisfaction and driving loyalty. Number 3. Efficient operations. AI automates repetitive and mundane tasks, freeing up employees' time to focus on more strategic and creative endeavors. Machine learning algorithms can optimize supply chains, predict maintenance needs, and streamline logistics, resulting in cost savings and increased operational efficiency. In addition, AI is driving innovation through automation. Repetitive and time-consuming tasks that once consumed valuable resources can now be automated with the help of AI technologies. This cost increases to streamline their operations, reduce costs, and allocate resources towards more strategic and creative endeavors. From manufacturing to supply chain management, AI-powered automation is enabling businesses to achieve higher levels of efficiency. Number 4. Predictive Analysis. By utilizing AI algorithms, businesses can leverage predictive analytics to forecast market trends, anticipate customer behavior, and make proactive business decisions. This capability enables companies to adapt quickly to changing market conditions, minimize risks, and identify growth opportunities. Number 5. Improved cybersecurity. AI plays a crucial role in cybersecurity by identifying and mitigating potential threats. AI algorithms can monitor network traffic, detect anomalies, and respond to cyber attacks in real time. This proactive approach helps businesses protect their sensitive data, prevent breaches, and ensure a secure digital environment. Number 6. Intelligent marketing and sales. AI enables businesses to deliver personalized marketing campaigns by analyzing customer preferences and behavior. By leveraging AI algorithms, companies can target relevant and specific segments with relevant offers, optimize ad placements, and maximize the effectiveness of their marketing efforts. Furthermore, AI is revolutionizing marketing and sales strategies. By leveraging AI algorithms, businesses can analyze consumer behavior, preferences, and purchasing patterns to deliver targeted advertisements and personalized recommendations. This hyper-targeted approach not only enhances the customer experience, but also improves conversion rates and increasing revenue generation. Number 7. Streamlined recruitment and HR processes. AI-powered tools assist in the recruitment process by automating candidate screening, analyzing resumes, and conducting initial interviews. Additionally, AI can help HR departments improve employee engagement, identify skill gaps, and provide personalized training programs, ultimately boosting productivity and retention rates. However, it is important to note that integrating AI into business processes requires careful planning and implementation. Companies must ensure data privacy, transparency, and ethical use of AI systems to build trust with customers and stakeholders. Furthermore, investing in employee upskilling and reskilling programs can help organizations maximize the potential of AI while mitigating potential workforce disruptions. Number 8. Data-driven insights. AI algorithms can analyze large volumes of data to uncover valuable insights and trends. By leveraging machine learning and predictive analytics, businesses can make data-driven decisions, optimize operations, and identify new market opportunities. AI also enables businesses to gain a deeper understanding of customer preferences and behavior, facilitating targeted marketing campaigns and personalized product recommendations. Number 9. Process automation. AI technologies like robotic process automation (RPA) enable businesses to automate repetitive and time-consuming tasks, freeing up employees to focus on higher-value activities. This not only increases operational efficiency, but also reduces errors and enhances productivity. From invoice processing to inventory management, AI-powered automation streamlines business processes, leading to cost savings and improved accuracy. Number 10. Intelligent decision-making. AI-powered algorithms can analyze complex datasets, identify patterns, and generate insights that aid in strategic decision-making. By leveraging AI's ability to process and interpret large volumes of information quickly, businesses can make more informed decisions and adapt to dynamic market conditions effectively. Number 11. Predictive Maintenance. AI-enabled predictive maintenance systems can analyze real-time data from machinery and equipment to detect potential failures or anomalies. By identifying maintenance needs in advance, businesses can schedule repairs or replacements before costly breakdowns occur, minimizing downtime and optimizing operational efficiency. Number 12. Supply chain optimization. AI algorithms can optimize supply chain operations by analyzing historical data, demand patterns, and external factors. With AI-powered predictive analytics, businesses can forecast demand, optimize inventory levels, improve logistics, and enhance overall supply chain efficiency, leading to cost savings and improved customer satisfaction. Advantages. Artificial intelligence (AI) offers numerous advantages to businesses across various industries. Here are some key advantages of AI in businesses. Enhanced efficiency and productivity. AI automates repetitive and time-consuming tasks, allowing employees to focus on more strategic and complex activities. This leads to increased productivity, improved operational efficiency, and cost savings. AI algorithms can process vast amounts of data at high speed, enabling businesses to analyze and extract valuable insights efficiently. Improved customer experiences. AI enables businesses to personalize interactions with customers, delivering tailored recommendations, offers, and support. Chatbots and virtual assistants powered by AI can provide instant and accurate responses to customer inquiries, ensuring round-the-clock support. AI also enables sentiment analysis, helping businesses gauge customer satisfaction and sentiment to provide better products and services. Advanced data analysis and decision-making. AI algorithms can analyze complex datasets, identify patterns, and make predictions, enabling data-driven decision-making. Businesses can gain valuable insights from large volumes of data, leading to better strategic planning, optimized processes, and improved risk management. AI-powered analytics can also identify market trends, customer preferences, and competitive intelligence, allowing businesses to stay ahead in the market. Enhanced cybersecurity. AI plays a crucial role in strengthening cybersecurity measures. It can detect and respond to potential threats in real time, mitigating risks and protecting sensitive data. AI-powered systems can monitor network activities, identify anomalies, and prevent security breaches. Additionally, AI algorithms can continuously learn and adapt to evolving cyber threats, making businesses more resilient against potential attacks. Streamlined operations and supply chain management. AI optimizes supply chain management by predicting demand patterns, optimizing inventory levels, and improving logistics and delivery processes. AI algorithms can analyze historical data, market trends, and external factors to forecast demand accurately, helping businesses optimize inventory and reduce wastage. AI-powered systems can also automate supply chain workflows, ensuring smooth and efficient operations. Enhanced marketing and sales. AI enables businesses to deliver targeted marketing campaigns by analyzing customer data, preferences, and behavior patterns. It allows businesses to personalize advertisements, recommendations, and offers, improving customer engagement and conversion rates. AI-powered tools can also automate lead generation, lead scoring, and sales forecasting, empowering businesses to make informed sales decisions and optimize revenue generation. Innovation and new business opportunities. AI fosters innovation by enabling businesses to explore new possibilities and develop innovative products and services. By leveraging AI technologies, businesses can uncover new market opportunities, identify unmet customer needs, and develop disruptive solutions. AI algorithms can also assist in research and development, accelerating the discovery of new materials, drugs, or technological advancements. These advantages demonstrate how AI can empower businesses to gain a competitive edge, drive growth, and deliver value to customers. However, it's important to note that successful AI implementation requires careful planning, data management, and adherence to ethical guidelines to ensure responsible and beneficial use of AI technologies. The adoption of AI in business has become a necessity for staying competitive in today's fast-paced world. From data analysis and customer engagement to automation and marketing, AI offers businesses unparalleled opportunities for growth, efficiency, and innovation. Embracing this transformative technology will empower businesses to unlock new possibilities, make informed decisions, and pave the way for a successful future in the digital age. AI has the potential to revolutionize businesses across various sectors. From data analysis to customer experience enhancement, AI technologies provide companies with powerful tools to optimize operations, make informed decisions, and stay ahead in an increasingly competitive market. Embracing AI is no longer an option, but a necessity for businesses looking to thrive in the digital age. We would love to hear your thoughts on the future of AI in the businesses. Please share your opinion in the comments below. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Take care of yourself. Until next time.